Canceling payment on Monzo is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. If the payment method was through a direct debit, you can cancel the direct debit itself. See the guide on canceling direct debits in my previous response for instructions. Unfortunately, you cannot directly reverse a processed card transaction within the Monzo app. However, you have a few options. Explain the situation and try to negotiate a refund or cancellation directly with them. If the transaction was fraudulent or unauthorized, you can initiate a chargeback through Monzo. Contact customer support for assistance. If the transaction was legitimate, but you have a valid reason for wanting to cancel it, you can contact Monzo support and explain your situation. They may be able to help depending on the circumstances. Now open the Monzo app and tap the payments icon. Locate the pending payment you want to cancel and tap on it. Choose cancel payment and confirm your decision. This will stop the transaction from going through. If you can't cancel the payment yourself, call Monzo support at +44 20 3303 5700 or chat with them through their website or app. Explain the situation and request immediate cancellation.